Hey y'all, welcome to Sunflower Tasha DIYs. I'm Tasha. I like to do arts, crafts, DIYs, recreations, Bible journaling, thrift, and trash flips on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy my video today.
We are back today with day 5 and we are doing holiday signs for this 12 days of DIYs. Our host is Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creations. That's Brenda and Amanda. And we will have a playlist linked down in my description box so you can watch all the other crafters and what kind of holiday sign they have made on their channels. I hope you guys enjoy my video today. So I am going to be using this paper pad, a wood round from the Dollar Tree. I mixed together a little bit of black paint and some Waverly wax to make like a more walnut kind of wax. And then I just cut out a strip of that paper, and then I kind of put the paper there and then drew some lines underneath so I know exactly where to put my paint. So the first one I'm using right now is the black chalk paint from Folk Art. And then I'm using my mixture that I created with the black paint and the Waverly wax. Now, I do think that Folk Art has a dark walnut kind of like color wax. I went to go get it from Michael's and it was like $18 to order it online. So I decided not to. And I will just get my Waverly wax and I will add a little black to it and make my own. So now I'm using the bottom of the barrel of my Mod Podge here. And I'm going around just on the edging of this cardstock paper here. And I'll get that secured down. And then as soon as I'm done with that, I will take my little mat, my Tim Holtz mat, iron it down. I'm going to use 2 of these, but before I use these, I'm going to go ahead and sand the sides of my project here to get that paper nice and even. And then I'm going to use my StazOn black ink, and I'm going around the entire wood round to give this a more finished look here. And I did stain the back of my wood round, but I used water and the wax that I created just so I didn't have to use up all of my color. And now I'm just hot gluing these little, I forget what these are called already. What are these, like little strips? Yeah, whatever. You guys know what they are. And then I took one and I cut it in half and then I bent it in half. And now I'm taking this little white pick from the Dollar Tree and just cutting off a few pieces here. And just playing around, see exactly where I'm going to stick these here. And then I'm going to take this pick that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to cut it in half and then cut it off the stem there. And then I'm using, this pick came from Hobby Lobby on 50% off. They do have a 50% off right now, so you will have to go and check that out. And then I'm going to glue everything down like so. Excuse me. I got an itchy throat every time I do voiceovers. Does anybody else get that? Oh, my throat just got so itchy. Oh, goodness. And like I said, we're going to glue everything down here. Like so. I'm loving those little black berries. Those are so cute. And then I went and grabbed some ribbon out of my stash here. And I'm going to put a little bow down in the middle of this. Like so. And then you guys will have to let me know if I should have not added the pop of red that I'm adding on here. You'll see that in a second with some berries that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just let me know, would you have left this as is without the berries or added the berries? I'm kind of getting mixed feelings after I added the berries. I wasn't too sure if I was liking it or not. But yeah, you guys will have to let me know if that pop of red actually looks good on here, because I wasn't sure if it really looked good or not. So, and that's it really for my project today, you guys. What do you think so far? I'm going to add a few more just to tie them in over here. And then another one down at the bottom here. And these berries are so nice from the Dollar Tree. They're not that bad, and they look like they have snow on them. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I do add the hanger that came back on this as well. But I'm using some of these beads. This came off of a cross from Hobby Lobby. And I made some cross DIYs, and I'm just using the rest of that I didn't use from the garland part. But you guys will have to let me know, what do you guys think about my project today? I think it's so adorable, and it's a cute little holiday sign. And I just paired it with what was this? Not day 4, day 3's tabletop decor. I think it was day 3. I don't even know. We're on so many days now. But I will have all those days linked down also in my description box, so you guys can catch up with all the 12 days of Christmas videos that I have out. But this is so beautiful, you guys. I will have another video tomorrow, actually 2 videos tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Thank you.
I'd like to thank the host today for having me on the playlist, and thank you to all my subscribers and all your continued support here on my channel. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really helps me grow on YouTube, and I appreciate all that you do when you do that. Also, if you hit that bell button, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you again for watching Sunflower Tasha DIYs. You can follow me on Instagram on my personal account, or you can follow me on my gallery account. My personal is obviously my personal, and then my gallery is just where I post pictures of things that I had made on my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much for all that you do and all your continued support. Bye!